Hi, fourth grade. It's Miss Cobra, and I have my friend Miss Draney.
Hello.
Miss Draney, tell my students what you do for a living.
I am a fifth grade ELA teacher in Texas.
Ooh, and tell us how you use mathematics as an ELA teacher.
Oh, so even though I teach ELA and I'm focused on reading and writing, I do use math all the time. I use it to calculate my students' test scores, to see how long I should make my lessons, and to calculate their percentages for their grades for their report cards. So I use math a lot.
Yeah, so even though you're an ELA teacher, Miss Draney, math is an important subject, right?
It is very important. You need to learn math in order to be anything, really.
Yeah, you need it in all professions, I think. So,
I agree.
we are doing a math test today about my BFF, Miss Draney. She loves Oreos, so we're going to talk about Oreos. So, it's the first time
Love it.
she loves them. So, I told Miss Draney the fractions to get out, so she has actual Oreos for us to look at. So, the task, which you already should have read, says Miss Draney has 1/2 of an Oreo in the morning. She's going to show us 1/2 of an
Here's my
Oreo.
Oreo.
And then in the afternoon, she has 1 whole and 1/2 of an Oreo.
Oh, I need a lot in the afternoon.
Yeah, that's a little bit more in the afternoon. And then in the evening, she has 2 wholes and 1/2 of an Oreo.
2 wholes and 1/2.
Yeah, it gets greater as the day goes on. So we want to know in one day, how many Oreos did Miss Draney eat? So how could we solve that, Miss Draney? What do we have to do with those fractions and whole numbers, mixed numbers?
Well, when I like to do fractions, I like to see if I can make a whole out of my halves or
Oh,
my quarters.
yeah, your
I
fractional
like to
parts. That's a good
make the
idea.
whole as much as possible.
Okay, so can we look at your model and see if we could do that?
Sure, let me turn my computer so you can see my Oreos.
Oh, okay. So right away, I see 1, 2, 3 holes.
3 holes. 1, 2, 3.
Good. Can we make the other pieces into a hole?
Sure, I think if I take this one and put it together, it'll make a hole. Am I right?
I think so. Let's see.
Oh, I'm right.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, so now I see 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. And what's that fractional piece left?
It's a half. I didn't finish that one.
1/2. So altogether, how many Oreos did you eat?
1, 2, 3, 4, and a half.
Perfect.
So 4.
So in one day, Miss Draney ate 4.5 Oreos.
Oof, that's a lot.
That's a lot. You spread it out throughout the day. That was okay.
Okay, good.
So, boys and girls, I have my friend Miss Draney on Google Meet, and you guys can have your friends on Google Meet too if you want to see people face to face. Make sure you're staying inside and you're washing your hands. Right, Miss Draney?
Exactly. Keep those hands nice and clean.
And we say we wash our hands for how many seconds, Miss Draney?
I like to sing a song to remember. So I sing either Happy Birthday or my favorite song by Justin Timberlake, Can't Stop the Feeling. I sing that chorus.
Oh, so make sure you guys are doing that at home. Now that we figured out the task, please go watch the lesson and complete your assignments. And have a wonderful day. Bye, fourth grade.
Bye.